It's another great day in South Florida. I'm Tim Schirripa. We're here at my latest project, this modern compound in East Fort Lauderdale, the Coral Ridge neighborhood of Fort Lauderdale. We're here today to launch the YouTube channel. I've always been hesitant to put myself out there. I've not been a showy person. I've always just kept my head down and worked hard. Where I grew up, we were always kind of taught that you don't talk about your business, but it is 2024. I also felt that maybe my story, everybody's been telling me for years to put myself out there, get in front of the camera. Maybe my story could help encourage and uplift somebody else. And I think that's really what has prompted me to push me over and to start putting myself out there like this. So, man, when I first got in this business at the age of 19, I really wanted to dive in head first because there was no limitation to your earning potential and the income that you can make. And man, over 25 years later, we now have almost $150 million of new construction going to be coming out of the ground. As a developer, we're also going to have to sell this project as a sales team. It's really incredible to think about the almost 25-year now journey that it has taken us to get to this point. And I say us because I think it would be really short-sighted of me not to acknowledge all the people along the way that have helped me to get to this point. When you started the business at 19 years old, I have been fathered and mothered by so many people in the industry that helped me in so many ways that wanted to see me succeed. I've had a mentor that not only helped me to see the vision I wanted to have for myself, but also gave me the belief that it could be done. I've had other people in the industry give me my first investors, other colleagues. I've had managers that helped me. I've had friends refer me over other family members in their business. I've had so many friends, and everybody knows who they are, I'm not gonna mention names, that have gone out of their way to refer me, to help me over this 25-year career. So to think that me standing on top of this new 14,000 square foot luxury build that we have going on came without the help of everybody in my life and in my career over this 25 years would just be so short-sighted of me. Because, you know, as you see these new videos are coming, it's not gonna be me up there, it's gonna be we up there. So when you see this, just let it know it's everybody's helped who's helped me over the time. All the encouragement, I've been inspired by so many people in my office. I mean, I was the little kid that have grown up and so many people have just wanted to help me in so many ways. And oh man, the countless investors that have literally put their money behind me and their belief behind me. This is something that is, you know, when people entrust in you in such a way, it is a responsibility that is just one that we don't take for lightly. And to be able to get to this point and year by year, deal by deal, it's just been a real incredible journey. I have to also thank my entire family for always being an amazing support to me and encouraging me and really making me believe that all things are possible. Especially my wife, who's been in the foxhole with me of sacrifice. She'll be the first one to tell you and know and can attest that getting to this point was not easy. And I thank her so much for allowing me to do and live my dreams and get to go out and really carry on this journey. It wouldn't be possible without her. And she can attest, as all the other agents and colleagues that I could speak to, that this business is not easy. It could be really challenging. It could take a real toll on you. So I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that it's easy or it's gonna be easy. I've had to go through many no's in my career to get to my yeses. But I could tell you wholeheartedly, when you stay faithful and when you put God first in everything that you do, He will take you to places that are beyond your comprehension. He will bring the people that you need when you need them. He'll bring the opportunities that you need when you're ready for them. He'll bring the funding that you need when it's time. So I just want to make sure I give thanks to God for putting me in this position. Thank Him for all the people that He's brought into my life to get me to this position. I love you all. I thank you all for the support, the encouragement, the continued support. We have so many great things coming with the Schirripa Group, with TDS Realty Advisors. It's really exciting. It's going to blow your mind. So stay tuned. Please continue to like and share, and know that I'm here to help everybody the way I have for all these years that it's taken me to get to this point. I will still continue to help people in real estate and offer real estate in any which way that I could be here to help, as I always have. So I love you all. God bless you all, and thank you all.